In this session, we are going to install TexStudio, which is a latex text editor. We will follow following steps to install TexStudio on Windows 10 operating system. These steps vary little if we are using Linux or Mac operating system. Step 1 is visit website texstudio.org. Step number 2 is download installer file from this website. This installer file is a .exe file with size approximately 86 MB. Step number 3 is run above installer file by double clicking on this file. So once installation is complete, step number 4 is create shortcut of TexStudio on the desktop. And step number 5 is double click on TexStudio shortcut which is there on the desktop and launch this program. So let's go ahead with the installation. On your browser, search for TexStudio. Google search will give first link to the texstudio.org. Open this website and you'll see the button for download now. So herein we are downloading the Windows installer of TexStudio. Save this file on your computer. Once this file is completely saved on your computer, double click on this installer file. You can go ahead with the default option for the directory and click on the install button. This process will take some time, so relax yourself. So once installation is complete, click on the close button. Now let's check whether the TexStudio is properly installed or not. Click on the start menu and search for TexStudio. You can see that there is a button which is for TexStudio. So you can click on this and start it directly. But let's go to the desktop and check whether the shortcut for the TexStudio is available now or not. And you can see that this shortcut is not available. So let's add a shortcut on the desktop for the TexStudio. On your computer, open C drive, go to the directory program files x86, search for TexStudio, open that directory, and you can see that here is the executable file. Right click on this and send to desktop to create the shortcut. Let's go back to the desktop and now you can see that the shortcut for the TexStudio is created. So double click on this button and this will launch TexStudio latex editor. So we have installed TexStudio successfully. Thank you. See you again.